Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into a delightful topic, cooking together with kids. Not only is it fun, but it also offers incredible benefits for their development. Let's get started. First up, cooking teaches responsibility. When kids help with meal prep, they learn to take ownership of tasks. From washing veggies to measuring ingredients, they gain valuable skills. Plus, it's a fantastic way to build confidence. Look at them go. They feel proud when they contribute to the meal. It's a sense of accomplishment that boosts their self-esteem. Now, let's talk about nutrition. Cooking together is a great opportunity to discuss healthy eating habits. You can teach kids about different food groups and the importance of balanced meals while making it fun. Encouraging them to explore new flavors can even help picky eaters become more adventurous with their food choices. All right, let's make something quick and easy. Today, we're whipping up a colorful veggie stir-fry. All you need are your favorite veggies, some olive oil, and a splash of soy sauce. While cooking, you can sneak in lessons about teamwork. Assigning roles, like chopping or stirring, teaches kids how to work together and communicate effectively. Yum! And there you have it, a delicious meal made together. Cooking not only fills our bellies, but also strengthens bonds and creates lasting memories. So next time you're in the kitchen, invite your kids to join you. It's a recipe for fun, learning, and growth. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own cooking adventures in the comments below. Happy cooking!